Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing, because I've actually been showing you how to slim down your weight, how to remove belly fat, how to just clean your colon. Now today I am going to be showing you the opposite of that, how to gain weight at the right places that you're going to gain weight, in those places that all those kind of weight that you tend to see people have too much of, hams and too much of stomach fat and everywhere is just round. Well, this is actually not how you're going to gain weight, because this is actually very natural and very healthy. So it's going to help you to gain weight at the right places. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and share the video. Now let's go. The first one you're going to be needing is going to be banana. Now banana is good for the skin. The potassium in banana is also good for the heart health and blood pressure. Banana can aid digestion and help beat gastrointestinal issues. Banana gives you energy. Banana also helps you to remove bad cholesterol, and it gives you an healthy weight. It fills in your stomach and it also makes you glow. Now the next one here is going to be milk. Milk is an excellent source of nutrients. Milk includes vitamin D, vitamin K, phosphoric and magnesium. Milk helps to prevent bone diseases, and it also helps to increase your fat. Mixing milk alongside with banana is going to help to full your stomach, and it's going to help you grow fat healthily. So you're going to be needing this a whole lot, like every day. Now the next one you're going to be needing is egg. Now you can use just one egg per day. Okay, it contains healthy protein. It contains vitamin B. Now you can choose to use either the yolk or the egg white, but in this remedy, since you're aiming to go fat, you would have to use the egg white, and alongside with the egg, mixing it with milk and also banana is going to help you fill up, and you are going to be gaining weight at the right places. So the next ingredient here is going to be yogurt. Yogurt is made from fermented milk. Now yogurt provides protein and calcium. It may enhance healthy gut bacteria. It protects against irritations, and it aids in digestion. Now yogurt helps to get you go fat. Now combining these four ingredients together, you are going to be on your way to gaining weight at the right places. There are some food you eat and you just gain weight on your stomach area and your arm area, but taking all of this together, you are going to be gaining weight just at the right place. Alright, so guys, you're gonna be needing a blender, and I have this small blender. Okay, it's a mobile blender. Alright, you can get it online, because I know some of you guys are going to ask me, where did you get it? Alright, so you're going to first of all wash it, because since you're going to be drinking this, you would have to rinse everything that you're going to be using. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to take your banana. You can take one banana or two. It depends on how plenty you actually want your smoothie to be, and then you would cut that into the blender. You can either make two of that. I'm actually going to be making two. Anyway, for now I think I can take this, but of course I'm going to be making this for my husband. And this also helps you increase your strength as a man. So it's not just for a woman. So the next thing you're going to do is to break in one whole egg. So 1 full egg is going to be enough. So it depends on how much you want your drink. So you can put 2 tablespoons of yogurt or 1. I'm going to be putting 2. So for the milk, guys, you're going to also be putting in 2 tablespoons. You have to be conscious of hygiene. Alright, so after that you would have to double click this place. Alright guys, so since if you're gonna be using powdered milk, then you have to put in a little bit of water, okay, so that it could blend very well. Okay, so I added in a little bit of water and we blend. Take care of them. Alright guys, so it's properly blended, and yeah, this also have a sieve. If you want to make a juice out of this, you can use the sieve, but of course we don't need the sieve because we need everything, like everything. This is really healthy and it looks good in the eyes. Alright guys, look at this. Oh my god, this is so yummy and it smells really nice right now. Okay guys, so this is gonna help you go fast. Alright guys, so here it is. Now guys, this you have to drink it every morning and also every evening. Like, trust me, drink this 2 times in a day and you are going to be gaining weight at your backside, your front side. But of course, this is not going to make you gain weight at your stomach area. It's just going to make you gain weight at the right places. And this is so yummy. Let me have a take and tell you how it tastes. This is so nice, guys. All right, so if you're not used to taking raw egg, don't bother. Just put it. The smell of the milk is going to cover all of the smell of the egg, and it's so yummy. Oh my god, I'm not sure I'm going to name this for my husband. And your backside is going to get huge and you are going to get fat, like generally, okay, and it's going to be a healthy fat. So this is so yummy, guys, like so yummy. And when you are consistent, just like I told you, you are going to be gaining weight healthily, at the right places. And of course you would have to take it, make sure that you take it before 6, okay, before 6 p.m. and you don't eat like heavy food after 6, so that you're not going to gain weight at your stomach area. Okay, that is what we're avoiding, even as we are aiming to gain weight. So that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and I'll come your way. Bye guys, and stay plump.